welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and you have my husband Brendan here. Today, as you can tell, we're going to Disneyland. Well, we're going to Disney California Adventures. We are staying at the Castle Inn Suites. So far, so good. I'll do a separate video if you want to check it out. Relatively good price. But yeah, I'm so excited. Brendan's wearing his Guardians of the Galaxy shirt. Anyways, I'm wearing my Monsters Inc. outfit with my little planet cup from Toy Story. But yeah, we're celebrating Brendan's birthday. So a lot of it today is gonna be, let's see what Brendan says. He's like, well, we'll see.
Breakfast corn dogs.
Breakfast corn dogs. That is the main reason we came. I'm not gonna lie. That was his pool right there. Yeah, my brother was here last night. We went to Trader Sam's. We had a good time. We didn't have a reservation because this is all very last minute. We walked up. She told us that outside was going to be about 2-hour wait, and then the inside was going to be what? How much did she say?
3 hours.
3-hour wait, and that's if they let us, like, if they had time, because it was already 9. So if it was midnight, it's closed. So we said okay. We sat outside. We went outside to the terrace, had a couple drinks. And then I was like, you know what? No, let's go in. Like, I'm going to change the reservation to the inside. Brian has never been. If we get lucky, we get lucky. So I went in. I asked her to change it. She said, okay. And then we got called. So we really only waited 45 minutes. Yeah. And so Brian got to, like, experience Trader Sam's. So that was kind of nice. And then we walked back to the hotel. I fell asleep so fast, so hard. And now we're back at it. It is 7:26. A couple walkers. We'll see how busy it is. It's supposed to be kind of busy, but we'll see. Yeah. Yay! Disneyland, Disneyland. Oh, look at Space Mountain. It is 7:37. We're inside. Cast members are all been awesome, like always. Yeah, but if you stay at a Disney hotel, you get to go in 30 minutes before. So I'm assuming at some point we're gonna get blocked, but we'll see. I have no clue. We haven't been here in a while, so we shall see. Oh boy!
Here we go.
Alright, we rope dropped. We waited there for about 20 minutes like we thought we would. If you go to the left side, they have the hotel entrance. So if you're staying at one of the 3 hotels, you can just go in through the side. And then quite a bit of people went to Monsters Inc. It does have a long wait when I saw yesterday. And then of course we are Guardians because that's Me's favorite. And then we have a pass for Soarin. So we're a little stacked this morning. Woo!
The entire complex will keep them in perpetual suspension. You must have clearance. We need to scan your biosigns. Clearance procedure. And then a simple wave of your hand will be your passport into my inner sanctum.
Alright, we just did the mission Breakout. How was it?
Good.
You didn't scream. Do you ever scream?
I had hair in my hands the whole time. Like, they were front had her hair down, so like, it was like hair in my face.
terrifying. I forget.
More, like drops, like higher ones this time.
They did way more drops, and I feel like they were distracting me with the video because the timing, like it wasn't the timing I was expecting, so that made it worse, better. I don't know, because I would be like, oh my gosh. Yeah, it was fun. That first drop, I thought that was it. I thought this would be a different type of vlog. That first drop gets me every single time. Okay, so we finished. We just checked in from Guardians Mission Breakout, and Brendan had to get breakfast shawarma. Oh, I will take a hash brown actually. Nice. How is it?
It's like a spicy syrup.
Oh, spicy? In a good way or a bad way?
Good. Good.
Ooh, hash brown. Oh. Huh. Interesting. There's a line for the Rogers musical tickets. So I was wrong. They weren't getting in line for Monsters Inc. They were probably splitting this way so they could buy their tickets. That makes more sense. Just at Soarin, we had the first Genie Pass of the day. So you can either wait an hour to get the next Genie Pass, or the moment you scan your Genie Pass, you can get another one. We waited maybe 10 minutes. We got the second row. I felt like the scent, like the smell was really strong, which is kind of nice. Like the elephant portion smelled like dirt, and I don't think I've smelled that before. And then Avatar section is always so good. Yeah, and then Brendan said his breakfast shawarma wasn't as good as usual. I guess it was like cold, not the right temperature, it split a lot. The cheese wasn't melted. So that's kind of a bummer, but it's still good. It's just, it was a miss on this one. I still need to eat, so I think we're gonna go do that. Our next Genie Pass is not for an hour, so we could have some time to figure it out, I guess. Brendan is buying a corn dog, so I'm just shopping. This one's kind of cool looking. Oh, it's actually like a fitted hat. Interesting. These look pretty online. I mean, they're pretty in person too, but they got Tenny to tag us now. Is he a spider? Oh, that's funny. That's clever. Oh, this is cute. Kind of like this. It's red. I might get this. What would I do with it? I have no clue. These are cute too. Bag. Oh, I haven't seen this one. It's all extra smalls, but if I see my size, I might get this one. Oh, this is too cute. Why are they so small? They're all extra small. I like this one too, but I don't know about the fabric. It feels like rayon a little bit. Okay, it's viscose. Viscose. So yeah, I don't know. I don't wash that type of clothing very well. Cool little section. Like I said, Brendan was buying his corn dog. He saw that there's a breakfast one, so this is pretty much the reason we came. I still have not ate, but breakfast is not my thing. I don't like breakfast foods. But once lunchtime comes, I will be eating a lot. Yay! What does it look like? Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
I guess it is what it says.
What is it supposed to be?
Breakfast corn dog. Of like eggs, hash browns, all that inside it.
Huh.
Strawberry and sausage.
I like the crunch. Let me see if they can hear it. Is there hash browns in there?
I'm getting to it.
How would they stuff it? In the cornmeal?
I think.
Huh. Okay. Let's go towards Coco section. As we're walking over here, the saddest thing happened. They switched this to Encanto. I knew it. This is what the problem was. Why can't they have both Coco and Encanto? So sad. So most lunch places don't open until 10. So we figured we're just gonna get in line for Incredicoaster. It's 30 minutes. It's 9:32. And then by the time we're done, things should be open and then we can eat. Brendan did not like his corn dog as much. Would you recommend it or no?
Get the regular one.
Get the regular one. So that's disappointing because he was really looking forward to it. He said the chips have been the best thing he's ate so far. Pro tip, use the Victoria sauce from the chimichangas on your chips. It just elevates them.
Elastigirl, for your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head firmly against the headrest.
We just did the Incredicoaster. It was at 30 minutes and it was exactly 30 minutes. And then right now it's still at 30 minutes. So not bad. It's 10:10. So food places are finally opening. Yay! I'm starving. Okay, we have a development on the chimichangas. We have a development on the chimichangas. They are no longer in the poultry place. They are now in Cozy Cone number 4. Tragic because I was already like savoring it, but not bad because for a second there I thought they were out or something, but yay! We'll go later. We got a Sprite for now. It's getting a little toasty. Paradise Garden Grill. Garden Grill, and we got the asada loaded fries. You want to try them and tell us how they are? The sauce looks nice. What was the complex thought about?
I didn't know if it was nacho cheese.
Oh, it's nacho cheese?
Well, there is nacho cheese in there too.
Oh, we also got these little Thai. Oh, this one has cheese too. Thai, what are they?
Thai chili.
Thai chili. Interesting. Okay, it is 10:50. What do you think of the food?
Good, better.
Yeah, it was good. Would I repeat? Probably not. But it was fine. Yeah.
Too soggy.
Yeah, it got wet really fast, and then the chicken one had too many sauces, so it was kind of hard to like taste anything. Yeah, it was kind of, I don't know. We also got in the virtual queue for the Rogers musical, and it looks like we got it, so yay! That's at 12, and then we have a fast pass coming up here in a little bit. So now we're gonna go do the bread tour so we can get some bread, and then go get his birthday button. And check out the wharf because it's San Francisco. So there's a lot of cute little details. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. But I'm getting a little sleepy. Yeah. Bread successful. She told us that they start at 2 a.m. baking it, and that all the bread in the property comes from here, at the hotels and everything. So that's pretty neat. I mean, look how big the mixer is. Pretty big. It probably smells awful in there though. I hate the smell of yeast and bread. I have never tried making my own bread because I couldn't. Not with the smell. $11.52.
Potato Head here. For your safety, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
Okay, so this is, we both stopped playing, to be fair. Okay, quick update. So they canceled the first show for the Rogers musical thing. So we're still in the queue. We are the first group. So the moment they get back on and they have space, hopefully we get called today. While we were in Toy Story Mania, the 12 o'clock hit, which is the time to get virtual queue for the show at night. So I had to stop playing so I could quickly get that. So that was kind of a bummer because B and I can get pretty competitive in that one. But yeah, that one was kind of a bummer. It got canceled. We waited 30 minutes and then it was messy. So now we're waiting for our next fast pass, which is the Spider-Man. So we stopped to get water. We're both super thirsty, and then a chimichanga because now they're here. So I wanted to come and confirm and lock one down before something happens. I looked at the weather and it's 50% chance of rain today, 90% chance of rain tomorrow, which makes sense. So yeah, I think we're gonna reapply a little bit of sunblock. It's kind of like past, because of the rain, but it's still really warm. So yeah, we'll see how the chimichanga is. It's gonna be delicious. I don't know why I said that.
That'd be more even than I thought.
Hi, it's Shirley from the future. I'm gonna end the vlog here so it's not too long. Look out for part 2 coming out soon. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you have any questions about Genie Pass, getting lightning lanes, going in during rope drop, any of the shows where you need access to, and I'll be happy to answer. If you also want to know where some of the food came from, let me know and I'll be happy to tell you. I hope you enjoy and have a magical day, and until next time, adios.